Meet Buddy, a happy-go-lucky golden retriever, and Mittens, a fluffy cat with zero patience for nonsense. Buddy tries to make friends. "Look, Mittens, a squeaky toy!" But Mittens, not impressed. Flick. Guess some friendships need time. Then, boom! Thunder cracks the sky. Mittens jumps in fright. But Buddy's there, calm, gentle. "Come here, it's okay." A quiet moment. Two very different souls sharing one warm bed. Mittens purrs, Buddy smiles. The storm fades, and so do their differences. Now they're just two friends, snuggled close in unexpected comfort.